Well, good morning, this is Travel Man of Kent. Today I am here at Dover Marine Station, which is now called the Dover Terminal 1, or Cruise Terminal 1. This weekend and next weekend has been quite special, so for the first time in 105 years, the Cavell van that carried the unknown warrior is based right there and in the station for the next couple of weekends. So anyone can come here via a free ticket with Eventbrite and have a look at the Cavell van being here again, like I say, for the first time in 105 years. And my word, what a station this is. I've never been here, and I took the opportunity to come down here whilst the Cavell van's here. It is just absolutely wonderful. It's just such a wonderful station, and it's such a shame it has been closed to the railways since 1994. Obviously now it's being used as a cruise terminal for the cruises, which is obviously still using it as a way of facilitating what it used to be, but in a modern context, and obviously with the rails being filled in, because apparently they are still there. It's just a wonderful place to be. So let's go and have a look. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that part. Now it's time to have a look around and see what remnants I can find. It actually still works. Wow. So you never know what happened, so I started a conversation with a staff from the port of Dover, and he was willing to show me some stuff that not many people do actually see or look out for. So just enjoy this little section.
Also, here,
Yeah.
you can spot the bomb damage which happened. There's something which is out of joint. Can you notice it? Look at the rivets. That column over there has got no rivets.
Oh yeah. I'll zoom in on
That's
that.
cool. So the steel manufacturers were based in Derby. They're the same people who did St Pancras railway station as well.
Okay, wow, that's cool. That is really cool.
Do you know the reason why the station got created?
Yes, obviously for the cruise terminals and
No,
obviously
not for the cruise terminals.
Oh, sorry. For like the Golden Arrow service.
Yeah, well, so you had the South Eastern Chatham Railway,
Yeah.
and you had two competing lines.
Yeah.
And of course, they were very heavily exposed here, and there were elements that so decided to come together and built a dedicated cover station
Yeah.
for the railroad service. If you look down there on the right, can you see the yellow marker?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That's what's
Zoom in on that. There you go. That's cool. That's really cool. Didn't expect to be getting a tour of Dover Terminal Station. Yeah, you can definitely tell. You can definitely tell you guys are proud of it.
So, well, when it got handed over in '93, you can imagine back in that time, over the years of the '70s, architect bolted on all that stuff as well.
Yeah.
It was looking pretty tired. So we've really stripped it all back, looking at it quite clean and more prestigious. So the trains would have run straight through the whole thing. So the mezzanine level didn't exist.
Yeah.
So we had to create that for cruise operations. The trains would have run straight through here as well. So you can it would have been a very dirty environment as well because of the smoke.
It's all the soot sitting
Well,
on the roof.
that was sort of diesel and all that stuff, all diesel trains as well. So yeah, it's a place we've redone the roof in this place as well and everything. So it was great to listen to.
Yeah. When you see photos sort of with it on the brink of closing as a railway terminal,
it looks a mess.
It looks a mess. Yep. Obviously, you have like your 4 CP units and
because the tracks would have run
straight through
the
there.
way of getting you here was walk over that walkway over there. So.
Yeah, and then you see like the photos from say 1994, just literally before it closed. Obviously, you'd have a 4-car unit or whatever it is sitting in situ on the platform. Obviously, you had all the rubbish on the track there because by then it was getting close to closing. But if you look at the photos from then, you've almost got it spot on to back. Not saying it's back dirty then, but like from what you see then and you see now, it's very much what it was. Yeah. So it's really really good.
It's on the bed on Nick and it will last. Said we've just reformed it. Still had to have the same lime compound in it. So it's
good that you've paid attention to that as well, because like when a lot of companies or places say, "All right, we're going to rejuvenate the place," they'll use mixed match bricks, and then you sort of see, "Well, I can see you've done that."
We are looking at ways to open it up more in the public, but it's that balance that we need to keep it operational so we can afford to keep this place for next generations as well. So because we are essentially just custodians for all this in there for
Would it be the case that the ferry terminal actually owns the building, or is it still still like an agreement with Network Rail?
Owned by Dover Harbour Board.
Dover Harbour Board.
So that's us. Okay. So here's the Ostend Dover line as well, so check-in desks as well.
Oh yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah, these were all different uses: waiting rooms, staff rooms, you name it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. Really cool. No, thank you very much for that. It's really appreciated.
If you go, if you look on the front of the building, you'll see I've forgotten the official name of it, but it's got the sword and the snake through.
Oh, okay, yeah.
A symbol, because this was where all the medical evacuees came through.
Right.
Plus, you'll see if you go on Dover history pages, it's really interesting. A person called Paul Wells posted up there. He just posted a recent photo. You see it bricked up on one side.
Yeah. Trying to find it now, isn't it?
Signal 2 back. So that's bricked up on that side.
Yeah.
But you can see where there was walkways along there and there, because Lord Warden, this was a big hotel.
Okay, so you used to wrap around the building, essentially.
Wrap around Lord Warden because there's all walkways in. It's an interesting photo, you can see how it all
Wow.
Awesome as well. Okay.
Yeah, no, brilliant. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. It's brilliant. Thank you, you too. First off, thank you very much to Network Rail, South Eastern and Kent East Sussex Railway for organising such a fantastic event, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.